Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice fish which name is Gunthers baril. The scientific name is Borelius radiolatus. You can see the name in the corner. Also you can see in the thumbnails. Let's draw the outline for the beginning and then we are going to draw the sketches to make the fish a real life and realistic fish looks like. Okay, so you can see the bold lines on the top is going from the head to the tail, and also I'm going to draw the outline for the bottom part which is to the abdominal part, and you can see it's just going to the last end of the tail too. Okay, so it has so many dorsal fins. Usually it's more than the other fishes, so all in the outside. So this is one, this is going to be the two. Okay, next one is going to be the 3, and the other one is going to be the number 4. So 4 of them in the bottom, you can see. Okay, and one is on the top. Let's put it on the top. All right, and you can see in the back. Okay, it has a tail which is going to be little bit curved and very sharp corners. You can see the pointy corners here, and the eye, you can see I'm putting a dark color to the eye as a dark circle and drawing a bigger outline of that eye. All right, and putting the mouth here. Okay, so with the dark pencil we are going to put the shades for the whole mouth here, and you can see the graphics for the breathing parts of the heads, and on the top the darker combinations and the darker appearance just continues to the back and to the tail. All right, so here you can put the graphics for the tail like the so many racks here. Okay, and also for the fin which is on the dorsal part, like on the top of the fish, you can see here. Okay, and lots of fin in the bottom. All right, and just putting the hatches here. Okay, for the next one also putting the hatches here, and more hatches you can see at the bottom of the bigger fin. All right, now we are going to put few yellow colors at the middle of the fish. Just it has the same types of colors, and to outline the appearance of the silver effect. So the yellow color is done. Now we are going to put the silver color for the whole fish. Okay, and putting the dark outlines to the borders of the outline which is on the top. Okay, now you can put the graphical presentations of the scales which is all over the body of the fish, from the top to the bottom, from head to the tail. Okay, and little bit lighter color at the bottom here. Okay, we can use the 6B pencils to make some parts darker which is just adjoining with the body. All right, for each of the fin just doing these details. Also the same thing happening for the tail here. Okay, so this is the drawing. The fish is almost done. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Let's have a nice outlook, nice look to the fish here by looking to it little bit closer. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.